The metal connector attachment kit allows you to easily install metal framing connectors such as joist hangers or hurricane ties. The kit consists of an alignment nose piece, 2 sequential fire triggers for various nail gun models, and advisory labels. Installing the metal connector attachment kit is an upgrade that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll start by swapping the regular framing nose piece for the metal connector nose piece. To do that, you just simply push the button in on the nose piece, remove the old nose piece, and slide the new one into place. If you have the black contact trigger installed on your nail gun, you'll need to replace it with one of the gray sequential triggers that came in the kit. There's instructions that'll help you identify the correct trigger for your gun. The nail gun I'm working on is an F33 PT, so the identification sheet tells me I need to use the SEQ7 trigger. On my gun, the trigger is secured with a screw and nut. On some guns, it may be secured with a roll pin. If your gun has a roll pin, the kit comes with a punch to remove it. I'll use a screwdriver to remove the screw. Once the screw is free from the nut, I can pull the screw out of the trigger and then remove the trigger and spring from the gun. Now I'm ready to install the gray trigger. First, I'll place the spring over the post on the trigger valve. I'll hold the spring in place. Then I'll make sure that the flap on the trigger is down, and I'll place the trigger over the spring. The spring needs to go on top of the metal flap. I'll align the hole in the trigger with the hole in the nail gun and then reinstall the screw. Once the screw's in place, I'll resecure it with the nut.